Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to use this watch. Basically the basic functions on how to navigate and stuff like that. First, if you want to wake up the screen on your watch, you can press any of the buttons or tap on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you can access a couple of things. For example, if you want to open the control panel on your watch to see the shortcuts for different functions, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open it. And here we have the control panel, and we have icons like airplane mode icon, Google Pay, brightness, do not disturb mode, flashlight, sound, settings and stuff like that. If you want to close the control panel, you can either press the crown button or swipe up on the screen to basically close it. If you want to open the notification panel, so let's say you want to see the notifications, you swipe up on the home screen to open the notification panel, and here we have our notifications on our watch. If you swipe left or right on the screen, you will open, I would say, widgets, I would call them. I believe these are called glances or something like that. So if you swipe left, you have the glances. If you swipe right, you don't have the glances, you have the... Oh no, you have the glances. Okay, never mind. So the battery one is the last one. Okay, so as you can see, we have glances left and right. If you want to open the menu on your watch, you can press the crown button. Once you're on the home screen, you can press the crown button. It will open the menu. And here you can scroll through the list of apps, find the app you want. And once we are in the menu and while we are on that topic, if you want to open the settings on your watch, you can open them by opening the menu and then finding the settings icon and tapping on it, or you can open the quick panel and tap on the settings icon to open the settings. To move through the menus, you can use the crown button, touch screen. To select the options, you of course tap on them, and if you want to go back in the menu, you swipe right on the screen like this. And if you want to go back straight to home screen, you press the crown button to go back to home screen. If you want to quickly switch between two apps, let's say you had the Play Store opened and you open the settings and you want to go back to Play Store, you can simply press the crown button twice. It will go back to the previous app, and you can switch between them quite quickly by pressing the crown button twice. If you want to change the watch face on your watch, you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. Here you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find something you like, and tap on it to apply the watch face. If you want to turn off your watch or reboot it, you need to press and hold the lower button, and it will open the power menu, and here you have power off. This will turn off the watch. Then we have restart, and then we have the power saver. Of course, restart will reboot the watch. Power saver will turn on the power saving mode, so it will basically save the power on your watch. And I'm not sure how to exit the power saving mode, but I entered it by mistake. Oh, I think we left it. Okay, and like I said before, if you want to turn off the watch, you can press and hold the lower button, tap on power off, and then it will basically turn off. And if you want to turn it back on, you need to press and hold the lower button to turn it back on, like this. Okay, we're back in the system now. And one thing else to mention is that if you want to start the workout quickly on your watch, you can press the lower button. It will open the workout menu. Here you can scroll through the list, find the workout, tap on it, and then tap on the go button to start the workout. And the workout will start basically. And if you want to stop the workout, you can swipe right on the screen. Let me go back to the workout. You can swipe right on the screen to open the pause menu, and here you can press and hold on the end button to stop it, and then you can tap on end workout. Okay, and I think that's about all when it comes to like basic stuff. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.